Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve KB5050188 installations failed on Windows 10 computer. So Windows 10 versions 22H2 receives a cumulative update that delivers virus improvements and essential security patches for .NET Framework versions 3.5, 4.8, and 4.8.1, resolving both vulnerabilities and instabilities issues. And the most common reasons why it might happen includes corrupted update files, insufficient disk space, interference from third-party antivirus software, corrupted system files, Windows update component issues, driver incompatibilities, network connectivity problems, conflicting software, and hardware issues. And then I'll show you numerous solutions to help to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. Before to start, then we need to restart PC and ensure have internet connectivity. So all you have to do is to click on the power button here. Then you need to restart. So simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Alright, so after restarting and go back here, and then you need also to check the stable and active internet connections. So we need to have the stable and active internet connections in order to proceed and fix this error. Alright, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. And then once you open up here, and then you need now to select this update and security and then click. So once you open up here the Windows Update and Security here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to select this troubleshoot tab and then click. And then on right side here at troubleshooting settings, then you need to scroll down and select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here at additional troubleshooters, underneath here at Get Up and Running, then you need now to select this Windows Update. So all you have to do is to click, and then you can say this run the troubleshooters and then click, and then pop up this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed that problems found service registrations is missing or corrupt. Then you can see now that it's already complete or fixed, and then we have here this green check mark that it means it's already resolved. Alright, so you can also view the detailed informations about these issues in here at troubleshootings report. In case is there any error here, then you need to proceed again and follow the screen instructions. Then you need to tap or click this next to proceed. Alright, so after here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to clear the Windows Update cache or stop Windows Update services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run command. And once you open up here at run command, so here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up here at a services and services local, and then on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows Update. So all you have to do is scroll down, and then once you find already this Windows Update services, so all you have to do is to stop this services. So select and then right click, and then check if this services if already running or not. So since the services is already running, so all you have to do is to click only here this stop, so in click, and wait to complete the stop process. And then after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So you need to scroll up and select this background intelligent transfer service. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then check if this services if already running or not. So since this services is not running, so all you have to do is to click this properties, and then here at general properties, select this startup type, select automatic, and then you need to click the service status and tap this start and wait to complete the start process. And then after that, then you need again to click this stop and then wait to complete the stop process, and then you need to click apply and then click OK. And the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this cryptographic services. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then you need now to tap or click this stop, and then we need to complete the stop process. And the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this delivery optimization services. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then click stop and wait to complete the stop process. And then after that, we need to close the services, and then you need to restart this PC. And then after you start your PC and reboot, the next step that we're going to do is to run the SFC and the semi-scan. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type the cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space / scan now. So / scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. So that's why we will do this command keyword sfc scan now. And then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And then next command keyword that we need to copy and paste. So just copy and paste this command keyword dsm space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore versions completed successfully. And after completing these two commands, and then we need to close the cmd. And again, we need to restart this PC here, the power button, to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.